Since the rise of AI, everyone's asking the same high-stakes question. Can a machine learning algorithm finally crack the code and beat the house? Short answer: it depends on the game. If you're playing traditional casino staples, slots, roulette, baccarat, AI won't save you. Here's why. First, house edge. These games are built so the casino has a mathematical advantage baked in. In roulette, that little 0 or 2 zeros tilts the math against you. An algorithm can calculate odds perfectly, but it can't rewrite the rules. Second, RNGs. Regulated online slots and digital shuffles run on constantly changing random number generators. You can't predict them. Trying to bot them is like trying to guess next week's lottery numbers. It's just not happening. Where AI actually shines is in games of skill and prediction. Take poker. No limit Texas Hold'em. Libratus pluribus. They have beaten top pros, not by reading minds, but by playing the math, calculating optimal moves, modeling what hands opponents might hold, sizing bets to maximize expected value. Same story for sports betting. Weather injury reports, past performance matchups, social sentiment. It won't guarantee wins, but it can spot subtle market inefficiencies a human might miss. Before you even think about strategy, lock down your basics. Security first. If you're choosing an online casino, make sure it's licensed and uses strong encryption. You're sharing personal and financial info. Protect it. Then look at the incentives. Welcome bonuses, loyalty programs, ongoing promos, points, cashback, exclusive deals. Read the terms so you know what's real. And payments matter. Flexible, secure deposit and withdrawal options make your life easier. Speed fees, verification times. Now, the legal and ethical edge. Bots are a bad bet. Casinos run anti-bot AI that flags unnatural timing. Two perfect patterns. If you trip those signals, expect frozen accounts and confiscated winnings. Plus, most platforms ban automation in their terms of service. If you click agree, you agree not to use bots. Violations lead to permanent bans. So is AI a friend or foe? Think of it as a sharp assistant, not an autopilot. Use it to review your poker hands after the fact. Use it to model your sports picks. But keep control human. Best strategy today? Understand the odds. Manage your bankroll. Keep it fun. Entertainment first. Want more? Dive into our quick links. Understanding the house edge. Where AI strategy shines. The legal and ethical edge. The verdict. Then check out our beginner's guide to Blackjack to build real fundamentals before you bring any tech to the table. For deeper insights on games, odds, and strategy, hit the Casino Count blog, our homepage. See you there.